Is Forex trading legal in South Africa? Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to answer this question for you. It is definitely legal to trade Forex in South Africa, as the South African government doesn't have any laws governing the legality. So, trading Forex is legal, as long as you abide by financial laws that prevent money laundering, and you declare your income tax. Do I need to use a regulated broker? Using a regulated broker is not a legal requirement, but there are brokers that are regulated by South Africa's regulatory authority, the FSCA. If the broker you select is not licensed by the FSCA, make sure the broker you use has at least one regulatory license from these countries. Here is a list of Forex regulators. In Australia, the ASIC. In Cyprus, the CYSEC. In Switzerland, the SFBC. In South Africa, the FSCA, or formerly known as the FSB. In the UK, the FSA. In Russia, the FFMS. In France, the AMF. In Germany, the BAFIN. In Spain, the CNMV. In Europe, the ESMA. In the United States, the SEC and the NFA. In Japan, the FSA. And in Hong Kong, the SFC. How to legally fund your Forex account. Funding an account is fairly straightforward in South Africa, as most brokers have a variety of payment methods. Using a credit card connected with a major bank is the best and simplest way to fund your account. It has also become easier for South Africans to legally move more money to offshore bank accounts, making funding a Forex account a lot easier. However, there is still a limit on the amount each South African citizen can transfer overseas. An allowance of 10 million rand is possible, but it must first be cleared by the South African Revenue Services. The KYC AntiMoney Laundering. Banks and financial institutions globally have signed up to a program called the KYC. It is a law set in place to stop money laundering by anonymous actors. When you sign up for a Forex trading account, and before you will be allowed to make a deposit, you will need to complete your KYC documentation. This is very easy. All you need to do is submit the following information: a color copy of a valid identification document. This can be a passport, driver's license, or ID card. A recent utility bill, such as electricity, gas, water, phone, oil, internet and/or cable TV connection, as well as a bank account statement issued in the past 3 months and confirms your home address. The simple answer to is Forex trading legal in South Africa is yes. It is legal to trade Forex in the jurisdiction of the Republic of South Africa, according to the FSCA. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.